The universe was very young, just 1 billion years old, but even after the messy Big Bang, things were starting to get organized. Gravity, the big builder of space, started pulling together huge clouds of hydrogen and helium. These clouds, like seeds for galaxies, swirled and clumped together as the universe expanded. Our Milky Way, a huge spiral galaxy that would one day have billions of stars and planets, was just starting to form. Imagine a time before stars, before planets, before even the stuff that makes up our world. This was when small protogalaxies were everywhere, pulled together by gravity. When these early galaxies crashed into each other, it was a big mess, but it helped build the Milky Way's structure. Each crash made the proto-galaxies bigger and their gravity stronger, pulling in more gas and dark matter. Gravity kept working, shaping the Milky Way over a very long time. Clouds of gas filled with stuff from old stars collapsed from their own weight. This started nuclear fusion and a new set of stars lit up. These stars, held together by gravity, made a huge spinning disk, the main part of our spiral galaxy. The Milky Way, once a messy bunch of protogalaxies, was starting to look like the beautiful spiral we know today. As the Milky Way grew up, its spiral arms, those beautiful curves of stars and gas, appeared. Think of these arms not as solid things, but like ripples on a pond. These ripples, made by gravity inside the galaxy, move through the Milky Way's disk. As they pass, they squeeze the gas and dust, making new stars. The spiral arms are like nurseries for stars, shining brightly with young, hot stars. These bright giants live fast and die young, and their explosions create the elements that are important for life. From what's left of these giant stars, new stars are born, and the cycle continues. But the Milky Way's spiral isn't fixed. It's always changing, shaped by things inside and outside of it. The gravity of nearby galaxies, gas falling in from space, and even mysterious dark matter all help shape the Milky Way's spiral. Deep inside the Milky Way's central bulge, a place of old stars and dust, there's a monster. We can't see it, but its gravity controls the fate of stars. It's Sagittarius A asterisk, a supermassive black hole, millions of times heavier than our sun, a place where nothing, not even light, can escape. Imagine a spot in space where gravity is so strong it bends space and time, where time itself slows down. That's Sagittarius A asterisk, a place of extreme physics where the laws of nature are pushed to the limit. Even though it's powerful, Sagittarius A asterisk isn't a bad guy. It's a key part of the Milky Way. Its gravity controls how stars move in the galactic center, shaping how the galaxy's core changes. Just like the sun controls our solar system, Sagittarius A asterisk rules the Milky Way, and its power reaches far across space. Section 4, a history of collisions. The Milky Way isn't alone. It has a long history of crashing into its galactic neighbors. Over billions of years, it's merged with and swallowed up smaller galaxies, changing the local group of galaxies. Imagine two galaxies crashing. Stars, once moving peacefully, are thrown in all directions. Gas clouds are squeezed together, making lots of new stars. The whole shape of the galaxies changes from the crash. These crashes, even though they seem destructive, are important for the Milky Way. They bring in new gas and dust, which helps make more stars. They change the galaxy's shape, making new spiral arms and refreshing the galactic disk. Section 5, the Milky Way's future. The Milky Way, a big spiral galaxy full of life, isn't going to stay the same forever. The universe is always moving and changing, with things being created and destroyed. And in this cosmic dance, the Milky Way is going to crash into its closest big neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Imagine the night sky billions of years from now. The Milky Way, which we always see, is changed by the Andromeda Galaxy getting closer. The two galaxies, pulled together by gravity, start to merge very slowly over millions of years. This will be a huge change, reshaping the local group of galaxies and making a new, giant, elliptical galaxy. Stars will be thrown into new orbits, gas clouds will crash, making bursts of new stars. And the supermassive black holes at the center of both galaxies will eventually merge in a huge event. But from this cosmic crash, a new galaxy will be born, showing the power of gravity and how the universe is always changing.